welcome to my channel. I'm Mary Meno. In this video I want to show you how to connect your domain name into your website in Pixel Perfect in Builderall. So if you have an account, great. If you do not have an account and you'd like to try it for 7-day free trial, there'll be a link in the description below. I offer a free bonus. I teach you how to build your first website step by step, and a lot of more things. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that little bell so you know when I put a new video on. I share a lot of tools, free tools from Builderall, tools that can help you with your workflow in your business for your online work. So see you then. Okay guys, so in this video I want to show you how to connect a domain to your website in Builderall, or also where to buy domains, where to change the DNS. So first of all, I do suggest you go and buy a domain on Godaddy. If not, you have already bought a domain somewhere, like I have some on HostPapa. And I have some on Godaddy. So Godaddy is very helpful. I think the first domain you buy is like 99 cents. After that, you can go and buy some more. So I'm just going to go to my account here and show you. I have two domains here on Godaddy. First of all, when you go to buy a domain, first of all, you have bought your domain, you are already in your account and whatever platform you're buying your domain. If you want the link to Godaddy, I'll put it right here on the description on the YouTube channel, or also on my online lessons here. You can go and buy from them. If not, any company has a DNS. So if I go back here to my account, when you go to your Builderall account and you have your website and you gave him a title, you want to connect your domain. So you go here, the three little dots, you go to connect domain. So you write here the domain that you want to put in. So let's say I'm doing this one here, and you have to choose the region. Now the region is really like the server. Where is the main server? So if you're, let's say you're in Canada and you only serving people around here, you can choose North America, so we're closest to the US. If not, if you want to do worldwide, well, CDN all region is the best thing, right? You don't want to have your website only in Germany if you're in Canada, US. So this is all region. I do always almost take all region, but since my company here of masonry is really in Canada, I'm going to choose North America. Okay, so once that is chosen, you go to save, and when you go to save, they're going to ask you to go to the server and change the DNS. So make sure that you highlight and you copy somewhere. I often copy it on a WordPad here. I copy the DNS that I'm going to use, and then you go to the company or the website that you're choosing. Like say here it's Godaddy. Here I want to change the DNS. It's really the DNS is the server who's going to manage your website. So we're going with Builderall. So Builderall is going to transfer the DNS on their server. So here is on Godaddy, you change the DNS, and it's really here you have to change. So if I change that, I go to highlight my my DNS here. I highlight here, and I copy it on my server, the name server here that I want. So these ones are already made up. I'm not going to change anything. So once that is done, you change that. You go back to your website. You go and you confirm. You get connected to your domain. So you click here, and it's going to connect. Now remember, it could take up to 48 hours to everything to be connected. Okay, don't worry. After one day, it's not done yet. It really sometimes takes 48 hours. So I'm going to cancel this because I already have this domain DNS right with Builderall here. And after that, you can publish once it's been 48 hours, and you can publish it, and then you go to activate your SSL. So to activate this, make sure that it's green. You activate. This can take like for 30 minutes maybe. So you activate your SSL to make sure it's a secure website. Okay, people don't like to go on a website when it says it's not secure. They're going to go off right away. So that's the way you connect your domain. If you have any questions, just leave a comment here. I'll try to answer the best that I can. If you have another company that you have bought your domain from, like I have a domain from Host Papa, there is really a place where you can change your server name. If not, you can communicate with them, and they'll help you. Like really, they have usually great support for that. Okay, so that's how you connect your domain to Builderall. And if you like my videos, do remember to subscribe to my channel and follow us, comment, leave us a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next video.